is going on, YouTube? Your boy Mike D, Hold'em Hook TV. It is October 19th and it's raining. It's about 50 to 49 degrees. We're getting a lot of rain from this tropical depression coming up from the Gulf of Mexico. Prayers up to everybody down in the coastline. Hope everybody come out of this little storm okay. But guess what? My crazy behind going to the lake. I got the boat loaded up in the back of my Denali. I'm going to the lake, man, for about 3 hours, 2-3 hours, and see if I can catch me some fish, man, and give y'all something to watch on this rainy day. I'm trying to upload this video as soon as I get back to the house, so y'all stay with me. Like, comment, subscribe. Your boy Mike D, Hold'em Hook TV, and we going to the lake in this bad weather. We don't care. We going to get them. Shout out to all my Hold'em Hook boys. Shout out to Captain Hook, the Jabbo. So, you know, hey, Steve-O, I see you, boy. Stay with me, y'all. See y'all on the water. Hold'em Hook TV, baby. All right, YouTube. Got the boat all ready to go, rigged up. So, get out here and see what we can do, man. Little rain. I love it. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's 2 turtles. They stuck together doing the nasty in the rainy weather. I guess. I tell you, boy, nature. I don't know if you guys can see, but the winds, the gusts are about, I guess, 15 to 20 miles per hour. Might be a little bit more than that. I'm not quite sure. But other than that, man, it's really just light rain with occasional wind gusts. Other than that, I mean, it's not really bad. Little bass playing around. I kind of figured they were gonna have something sitting over there in that point right there. Little bass. Let's see if I can get another one out of there. Alright guys, I haven't really caught anything since I caught that little bass. So I put on a float under this jig with a little crappie nibbler. I'm just kind of trying to figure out a pattern and kind of see what they're doing. So I'm really kind of searching right now. I'm trying to see if they hugged a little bit up to the bank on those drop-offs, if they suspended out in the middle of the lake, or if they're holding tight to the structure that the lake provides for them to have. So I've been kind of, you know, searching. I just kind of started, so I'm gonna keep on searching for them, trying to find some fish, man. Trying to get a Hold'em hook. So y'all stay with me. So my setup right now, I'm using a 1/32 ounce jig head, wide gap hook, kind of pink and chartreuse, I'm sorry, Bobby Garland jig. Well, that's what I pretty much use today. I switched the colors up a couple of times. I ain't really get too much. I free spooled it. Like I said, it's just windy and raining, and I didn't bring my graph with me today. So I didn't really have that tool. So, you know, I did what I can. Well, I did what I could. Ain't do too good, but like I said, hey, be sitting at the house on the couch, baby. So, all right, that's the setup. Floating bobber, a couple of feet down. I adjusted it a little bit here and there. Still didn't get too many bites, so I'm gonna get on out of here in a second. Thank y'all for watching. All right, YouTube. It's been about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. Only caught that one little bass. I got 1 or 2 more bites, but I couldn't really get into. I was pan fishing at the time, so I think that was I felt like some little bluegills or something. It wasn't nothing major. But like I said, y'all can see it's been doing this all morning. Gust of wind, 16 to 20 miles per hour. Boat going all kind of crazy ways. So I can't really, get anything established how I want to. But I caught one. It was a small one, but I caught something. So you can't say you can't catch nothing in the rain. I know one thing. You can't catch him at the house on the couch. I'll tell you that much. So I came, gave it a try. Caught one little thing, like I said. Ain't do too much, but guess what? I came. Thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. A lot more stuff to come. And until next time, which is real soon. Hold'em Hook TV, your boy Mike D. Look, y'all can see the boat spinning. It's spinning, just spinning in circles. Pretty windy out here to be fishing, so. Alright. Until next time, YouTube, Mike D. We out.